This guy's PSN is still linked. Now, let's say you bought yourself a handheld like I did today, and you want to unlink the previous guy's or girl's screen name, PlayStation Network ID from the handheld. What you want to do is you hold down the home button, which is this. That's called the home button. Hit the R button, right bumper, and the power button all at once. So yes, my hands look retarded right now. There we go. Safe mode time. Let's see. Restart the system, rebuild the database, format the memory card, restore the system, update system software. Let's do this. Guess it's not a touchscreen during safe mode. Give this a few seconds or a minute. I always think something's fast because it's like a computer. Really, there we go. Do you have a Sony Entertainment Network? So if we set everything, clears everything out, which is great. Now it's setting everything up just like you just bought this brand new, took it out of its box, and setting this up for the first time. So let's hit no you don't for the time being. Alright, trial was fine. United States. Maybe let's do this. If anybody wants to send me gifts, a birthday, 321 of 83. Damn you! Voila, there you go, guys. Brand spanking new. It unlinked the previous owner's PlayStation Network PSN account from this console handheld itself, so you're good to go now.